Okay, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Squarespace site. And Squarespace makes this fairly simple. So let's go into the site. This is my site. Here I see a gallery block. Let's just create a new section. So I'm going to add a section here to allow for a video. And as you've seen before in my videos, you can go here and use one of these presets. And we can use a video preset. But let's just start with a blank page. Okay, now we have a blank page. I'm going to go to this corner setting and just adjust the setting for myself. I like the section height to be small and the content to be medium. And that just controls the height and width of your section here. So you automatically get a text block, but I'm going to add a video block just by clicking on that plus symbol. I'm going to go find video. You can find the blocks, but you can also search. Search bar, hit video. And the simplest way to add a video is just to copy and paste your Vimeo or YouTube link. So I grabbed a Vimeo link from my channel, and I'm just going to paste that in here. And now it's going to find it. And now I have a video, one of my clients' videos from my Vimeo channel. And now you have a video that plays. And I've created the way this looks in my Vimeo channel. And I'll have another video talking about that. But for now, just go ahead and copy and paste your YouTube or Vimeo link. And then you can also add a custom thumbnail. You can turn that on, and you can add an image. And maybe we'll just browse a stock image for now. Squarespace lets you pick images from your site, or you can go into stock image options. These are the free ones. These are paid for ones, right? So let's just go into the free one. You can also upload it from your computer. So I like this mountain. I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to add an image. And what this does is gives your video a cover. And automatically you'll see a little play symbol on it. So there you go. And sometimes you just don't want the first frame to be the first frame. So you want to manually control that. And now I can also add a caption, turn that caption on, and I can go ahead and write that caption. This is a test video. So that's a simple way to do it, and that's how you add a video to your Squarespace site.